Alright guys, so this is the front-facing camera test. As you can see, this is a comparison between the Samsung Galaxy J3 Achieve, which is right here on my right side, and then the Moto E5 Plus right here on my left side. So this is a front-facing camera test, and then we'll compare it differently. So I just got this new rig right here, guys. This is inside my house, so let's see how well we can compare both of them. So yeah, it's something new I'm trying out with my channel. Like I said, I just got this rig, guys. I just got online today, and yeah, I just kind of want to test it out and see how well it does, so I can compare two phone cameras at the same time. As you can see, they are recording at the same time. So let's see the main differences. Like I said, front-facing camera, 5 megapixel front-facing camera on the J3 Achieve versus the 8 megapixel on the Moto E5 Plus. Now the Moto E5 Plus does have where it has a front-facing flash, so that does help right there. As you can see, I'm a little clearer right there. But let's do a little bit fair play right here, guys. So yeah, let me know how it looks. So let's go ahead and go outside now. So this is me walking through my house. It's pretty cool, guys. I kind of like this new whole rig setup thing, honestly. So let's see how well it does. Hopefully my phones don't fall off. And hopefully people don't think I'm crazy for taking two phones out at the same time. They're probably, what is this man doing? So here we go, guys. This is outside of my house. This is a comparison, so let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, this is a nice comparison with two newer phones that just came out this year. So I am walking around, see which one stabilizes better. I am kind of using a stabilizer. It's a tripod. So here we go, some sun right here. Pretty cool, guys. I can't wait to compare more flagship phones and all that stuff, and more budget phones as well. So very cool. So yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you think? Very nice. So you can see, this is my backyard. Cool comparison, right? So quick comparison notes right here. I can see on the Moto E5 Plus, it does look a little bit brighter than the J3 Achieve, but that could be just the screen resolution that I'm looking at right now through the viewfinder. So we'll get into that more later on. Hey guys, so this is the front-facing camera test comparison between the Samsung J3 Achieve versus the Moto E5 Plus. So as you can see, they are recording both in 1080p. So let's go ahead and do a little comparison and see which one actually does better. This is a clear comparison between both of them. So let's just walk around and see which one looks better. Of course, the Moto E5 Plus is 12 megapixels versus the J3 Achieve is only 8. So as you can see, there is quite a bit of difference between them. See how well they focus and all that stuff. I can definitely see the Motorola one has better colors. Oh my god, look at them big spiders. I did not even see them spiders right there. I'm about to kill them right now. So yeah, so we'll kill those spiders just a little bit, but let's go ahead and see how well it does with us walking and all that stuff. The colors, the Samsung definitely looks like the colors are a little bit more vibrant. Definitely looks a little bit more vibrant versus the Motorola E5 Plus. Looks a little bit more kind of washed out. Not the colors really don't pop as much in some aspects, but up here, as you can see, the Motorola looks a little bit better. So it depends. So it's not bad, you know. So let's do some little bit comparison right there with a couple things. Here we go. Here's a leaf right there. Very nice comparison, guys. Now let's see how well it does with it kind of trying to record me. So let me know which one looks a lot better. Pretty cool. They're both recording at 1080p. Pretty cool. Finally, the sun finally came out, so that's always a plus.